Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. We are doing yet another fun holiday unboxing and I cannot wait for this one. So the other day when I was at CVS, when I picked up the Wet n Wild advent calendar, if you guys missed that unboxing, I'll put that linked in the description or somewhere up here. I also found another super affordable drugstore advent calendar. I love that these are pretty cheap. This one is LA Colors, which if you guys have been watching for a while, you know that LA Colors is one of the main brands at Dollar Tree, so I review their stuff all the time. I have a huge collection of their products. So I saw that they had a limited edition 12 days of makeup surprises advent calendar and I was like, immediately yes, add to my cart. So we're going to open this bad boy today on camera and see what's inside. Again, I tried not to cheat and look at the back because I wanted to have my initial reactions with you guys. Let's get into it. If you guys want to find out what's inside this super affordable drugstore advent calendar, then just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I notice a lot of you guys who watch are not subscribed and that's just breaking my heart. So click that red button. It's completely free. Turn on notifications and join the fam, and let's open her. This was $9.99 and I believe when I got this there was a sale going on at CVS because they always have sales on Wet n Wild, LA Colors during the holidays where if you spend $10 you get back $8. So I literally paid $2 for this. The sale was crazy good. CVS can be very expensive, y'all know, but when there's a good deal, there's a really good deal with extra bucks. That's really the only time I shop there. And I made a friend in the makeup aisle. She was so sweet. She was a worker there. Let's check this out. This is day number 1 and I actually really love the look of the advent calendar. I think they did such a nice job on the artwork. So here's hoping it's a good one. Day number 1. So excited, and I have not seen or watched any unboxings or anything like that. Like I said, I want to be surprised, so I try not to watch any other unboxing videos or anything like that. We have, looks like a lipstick. These look different than the stuff from Dollar Tree. So this is a pretty burgundy red color, and this one, does it have a name? It does not have a name, you guys, but it's this very nice brick red, kind of holiday-esque color. I would totally wear this with a gold glittery eye. Okay, so day 1, we have a lipstick. Now let's move on to day number 2. It's so funny when you look at these, you're like, wow, how'd they fit 12 days on here? Seems like you're not gonna have 12 days. I can't even explain it, but day 2 is really small. Half the part of this is watching me struggle to open the days of the calendar. And we are officially in Advent season, so everyone is opening up their Advent calendars. Oh, I ripped off the door, but I am liking what I am seeing here. I think I like it. Okay. Ooh, had to pop it out. This is a little pigment. It is a loose eyeshadow, really pretty gold champagne color, super cute packaging. I will do a swatch so we can see. Oh wow, there's no sifter or anything. It's literally just straight up pigment. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, you guys. Do you see how stunning that is? I'm blown away. You actually can use this totally multi-purpose. You can use this as a highlighter or an eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful. Should I add a little bit on my cheeks and see what it looks like? Let's do it. Pick up a little bit from the cap. It's Vlogmas. We're going crazy. Ooh. I do already have a little bit of highlight on, but nothing too intense. You guys, this is such a beautiful highlighter. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's beautiful. I have a favorite, and we only made it to the second day. So let's move on because we know how much I loved this little loose pigment. It'll also be beautiful if I wet my brush and I spray it all over my lid as an all over eye color. I'm kind of hoping we get another eye pigment because I really loved that one. So this is day number 3 up here. Another lipstick. LA Colors. Is this the same? No. Okay, they look so similar. So this is a, whoop, I got pigment all over here. It's like all over my hands. This is another dark shade. It's like a brick red. It's actually really pretty. I like wearing these lipstick colors with a smoky eye and like wearing a beanie and a plaid shirt. It's a total vibe. On to day number 4, which is down here. I wonder if anyone actually opens advent calendars like day by day, because I literally would not be able to. I would be too excited. Fun. Okay, day number 4. We have a blush. This is LA Colors blush. Again, no name, but like a matte, deep brick color. It's actually a really pretty color. It has that like very kind of makeup-y scent to it, if you guys know what I mean. Like old like makeup from your mom. That's what it smells like and what it reminds me of. But that's pretty cool. I like this color a lot. This is like my kind of tone. So far we have a little bit of everything. So moving on to day number 5. She is long and skinny. It is a vanilla scented lip balm. I'm so excited. I needed actually an extra lip balm because I like to keep them everywhere. Like I like to have one by my bed, in my bag, in the bathroom, at my makeup desk. Like every spot in the house needs to have a lip balm. It does have a very faint vanilla scent. I wish it was a little bit more cakey, I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably gonna keep this one at my makeup desk. So far so good. Let's move on to day 6. And that one's right in the middle here. I was actually thinking, I wish Dollar Tree came out with an advent calendar. How cute would that be? Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's this little pink sparkly lip gloss. I actually love this. It's very like princessy kind of shade. I'm sure it's just kind of like clear, but doesn't really have a scent. But that's so cute. I'm glad that they put a lip gloss in here. Okay, that was fun. Moving on to day number 7. Right here. I had never seen, or maybe I hadn't looked in previous years, but I had never seen so many advent calendars before at the drugstore, like beauty wise. Okay, day number 7, we have another lip gloss. It's actually a pretty color. It's kind of like a deep red, I don't want to say red, kind of like a mauve tone, little squeezy tube. I will probably end up putting a lot of this stuff in a giveaway, you guys, so keep your eye out. I'm going to be doing a holiday giveaway, but this is kind of a fun way for me to get some cute little items for like stocking stuffers and just like little giveaway gifts for you guys. Okay, moving on to day number 8, another super long and skinny one. This is pretty cool. We have an eyeliner pencil. It looks actually like an automatic one, which is really nice. Oh, actually, wait, no. It's not automatic. It is just a regular pencil that you have to sharpen, but still, that's a pretty cool little guy right here. A staple black pencil for the waterline. On to, where am I? I'm like losing, what did I just do? 8. Okay, 8. I'm up to 9. I was like, I'm losing track of what day I'm on. It tends to happen when I'm doing these advent calendars. Oliver and Gizmo are running around like crazy, so if you hear their little feet, they're chasing each other. I have another lip gloss. This is like a kind of a brown color. So I'll show you guys side by side the 2 lip glosses that came in here so far. So this one is more like a mauve and this one is like a brown tone. Okay, that was 8, 9. Okay, 10 is the last, well, not the last one, but 10. Ooh, cuteness. This is a little nail polish in like this brick kind of mauvey red tone. That's cute. I didn't expect a nail polish, but that's super fun. On to the second to last day, day number 11. We have another lip gloss, and this one is another one of those like little skinny ones, but this one is actually cool. It's kind of like a mermaid iridescent kind of look to it. That's actually really interesting. I wonder what this looks like on the lips, or if it will just come out like clear. Kind of has like a little bit of a pearly finish to it, so I'm interested to try this. Okay, so it is the last day, day number 12, and where are we? 12. And I'm super curious to see what this last day will bring. Is it going to be something big? I don't know. So let's open it up. It's like the most difficult to open. They really want to surprise you. See, guys, we have an eyeshadow palette. Okay, I love it. Y'all know, if you've seen my Dollar Tree makeup tutorials, I really like LA Colors eyeshadows. sometimes they slap. So this one's actually really pretty. There are 6 shades in total, some nice like warm tones. We got some chocolate tones, some purples, and they also include a little sponge tip brush, but we're not going to touch that. We're going to use regular brushes, and this is so pretty. I really like this, so I am definitely going to use this. I really like the colors in here. So that is it for my LA Colors Drugstore Affordable Advent Calendar opening. This is called, again, 12 Days of Makeup Surprises if you guys want to pick it up. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of the LA Colors Advent Calendar. Are you interested in picking this one up? I thought it was pretty cute. It wasn't anything like mind-blowing. I still thought it was pretty cute, and it was super fun opening it. I think my favorite thing was the blush, the eyeshadow palette, and everything was a pretty good size too. I totally destroyed this thing. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps out my channel so much. I love you guys. I appreciate your support. Your comments mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be very soon because I'm literally uploading like every single day. So I'll see you next time. Bye!